The bad bee needs to come to the forefront, and now she's here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my makeup favorites of 2022. Now, I'm a makeup lover, you know, obviously, but since the Porsche Panamera, your girl has not been that into makeup. So this list isn't going to be extensive, but everything that I'm sharing, I really love. So if you'd like to see all the items that I was loving this year, please keep watching. Now, some of these items I recently acquired this year, but some are not new products. But you guys will probably know a lot of these items because I've been talking about them all year. I also don't have some of them in front of me, but I will be placing pictures on the screen. So first we're gonna get into my favorite foundation of the year. Oh my goodness, and I have to thank all of my friends, especially Natalie, for telling me about this foundation like over a year ago. It's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Now I'm not wearing it today because it's winter, but I live in the hot, humid South, and this foundation was a staple for me. I purchased it in the shade Cadiz because it does run very light. So Cadiz is probably 2 to 3 shades darker than what I normally wear, which is Tahoe. But this foundation is amazing. It keeps me very matte. The only con is that it's hard to match your shade and you kind of have to play with your application. So I apply it with a brush because I find it to look the most natural. If you do not have very oily skin, you are probably not going to like that foundation because it's very matte. Now, another thing that I really love about it is that it is full coverage. You guys know that I have quite a bit of hyperpigmentation and acne scarring. That foundation works perfectly. I will link a video down below of me applying it. You guys are always like, oh my goodness, the coverage. If you like coverage and matte, whew, it is going to be perfection for you. So that is my NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the shade Cadiz. Okay, my next item is also by NARS, and it is the NARS Air Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dolce Vita. Ugh. If you've been watching my channel for a few months, you know this lipstick all too well. I have worn it in countless videos on Instagram. I love it so much. The shade Dolce Vita is the prettiest light pink without making you look like Tyrone Biggums. You guys remember Tyrone Biggums? Yeah, we don't want to look like him. This pink is perfect because it's not too stark. It has enough warmth in it to really look nice, and the texture is so air whipped. It's very soft on the lips. I love it so much. I definitely want to get more. That one is definitely my favorite pink of the year for sure. My next lipstick is the lipstick that I always say gives me juicy lips, and it's actually a lip combo. So it's the lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury in Miss Kisses, which is like this juicy peach color. It looks so pretty. And then I pair it with the lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury in NYE Kiss. And that combination is the most beautiful terracotta peach color that just makes you look as if you went and got lip filler. And not that I'm here to try to tell anybody that they need it or to recommend it, but it just makes your lips look so juicy and plump. I love this. Probably my favorite lip combination of the entire year. I get compliments on it when I'm out and about. It's just perfection. Shout out to Charlotte Tilbury. She's a good girl for a reason. We love her. Okay, the next lipsticks that I want to talk about are from GXVE, which maybe is pronounced Give. I'm not sure, but this is Gwen Stefani's makeup line, but I believe right now all she has is lipstick. Now I have a few formulas. I have the traditional lipstick, and this is in the shade Lovable Me. I also have it in the shade 80s Me, which is a purple that I love so much. And then I have the liquid lipstick in red, which is called Original Recipe. And then I have Original Recipe in the vinyl lipstick. The vinyl, no bueno. Do not like that, would not recommend. But the liquid lipstick and the matte lipstick, oh, this has such great pigmentation and it feels so smooth going on your lips. The colors are also really beautiful. I love these. I love the packaging. You guys have seen me wear these in countless videos, in countless vlogs, on Instagram, all that jazz. And the matte liquid lipstick in red is my favorite red of the moment. The Gwen Stefani lipsticks overall, besides the vinyl, have really impressed me Love them. Next, I want to talk about the lipstick that I'm currently wearing and another that I have since tried. These are the Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Now, as you can see, to me, this is not matte. It doesn't dry down to a matte unless you eat with it on or you blot it off. But if you want a long wearing lipstick that feels comfortable, I would say try this out. It's not a matte though. I don't know why they call it a matte. I first got this because I saw Peyton Charles wearing it in a video like over a year ago. I just trust her recommendations for pretty much everything. This shade looks so beautiful on her. I believe it's shade 201 Deep Velvet. That's what I'm wearing today. But then recently I also received it in shade 307, which is like a coral. I'll pop a picture in the screen. You need both of them. It looks so, so beautiful on the lips. It's beautiful. I wore it out when I went to the drag show this past December during Vlogmas. You all love the lippy. I love it. It is pure perfection. But just know that they're not matte. But for some people, that works. The next product I want to talk about is actually a concealer that I'm wearing today. It's the Bobbi Brown Skin Full Cover Concealer. Now, I tried a lot of concealers this year. Charlotte Tilbury, Bobbi Brown. I tried another brand, but the Bobbi Brown has really won me over. It has the consistency of the Pat McGrath Full Cover Concealer. I like this one. The doe foot is also very big, so I feel like you get a lot of coverage in one swipe. I really, really enjoy it. It's actually the first Bobbi Brown product that I've tried that I really enjoy, or maybe the first all around. I have it in the shade Honey. Like I said, I'm wearing it today. It is a lightened highlight color, but it's not too bright. It still matches my face, and I love it. I have no complaints. Now, I do get a little bit of creasing, but that's because I'm getting older and I do have like, not wrinkles, but the skin does fold under my eye. But all in all, I really love that concealer, and that's why I'm including it in this yearly favorites. The next item that I want to talk about is a blush. And it's not the blush I'm wearing today, although this is also by NARS. It is the NARS blush in Savage. I got this off a recommendation from Brown Girl Luxe, I believe. It's the prettiest, like, amped up version of like that Sweetest Cocoa blush by MAC. So it's like a brown, mauve, deep blush that looks so great on women of color. Oh my goodness, I've been wearing it so much. I will insert a picture of myself wearing it. Anytime you've seen me in the past 6 months wearing a deeper blush, basically if it's not pink, it's Savage. If you have a deeper skin tone, or if you just love a deeper blush that kind of mimics bronzer but with a little bit of color, you will love it. NARS blushes are my favorite. They're so pigmented, they're so long wearing, and the blush, like in the actual pan, lasts so long. They're definitely my favorite brand. They're definitely my favorite brand of blushes for a reason, and you can't go wrong with Savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. And that's what y'all say I am anyway. Y'all always love when I show how multifaceted I am. I love y'all. Okay, my next favorite I'm also wearing. Can you guess? It's my lashes. I have to give a shout out to my cousin. This is her lash brand, Java Lashes, and when I put these on today, my friend was like, okay, baddie. And that's how I feel. You guys know that I am not someone who would just normally call myself a baddie. That's just not usually me. But these lashes just make me feel so fabulous. They're in the style Worth Avenue. They're wispy, they're long, they give me a little bit of volume and a lot of length. I don't have long lashes at all. Prior to this, I stopped wearing lashes because my cousin kind of just wasn't really promoting her brand at the time. She had kind of set it to the side to handle other things. And when she was relaunching, I was like, oh, it's go time. The bad bee needs to come to the forefront, and now she's here. And I can't get enough of her. Now, I don't always apply them perfectly, okay? I'm not perfect. They do feel like I can feel them on my eyes, and I'm still not used to it. But baby, lashes just take you from here to here. People will automatically start saying, who did your makeup? Where did you get your makeup done? Oh my goodness, your makeup looks so nice. And it's like, My makeup always looks like this besides the lashes. So I love the lashes so much. Definitely go check out her brand. Her lashes are what I was wearing like 3 years ago when she first launched. I think I was wearing them in Finesse. But these new lashes, the quality is on 10. I also have a coupon code if you guys would like to use it. You can use Keiko for some special savings. And my last favorite is a highlighter. Now this is the newest product that I'm gonna be sharing. It's the Fashion Fair Luxe Highlighter Duo. Now I did receive this from the brand and I have it in the color Dreamy Topaz. Now, I didn't even know that Fashion Fair like rebranded and relaunched and is now sold at Sephora. Like I saw them in store. This highlighter is so amazing. So it has a gold at the top and like a pink shimmery rose gold color at the bottom. I'm not wearing it today, but oh my goodness. I've been loving this because as we're into winter, the last thing I want to look is dry and shriveled up. So I've really been loving this highlighter. The packaging is really nice and sleek. It's white and gold. It will get dirty, but the shades inside, they are made for Black women. So I'm so happy to have this. Like I said, it was gifted to me in PR, but I really use and love it because it's amazing. It also applies very nicely. It's not streaky or like, it just looks so good on the skin. So if you're looking for a new highlighter, I would definitely check out Fashion Fair. She's back, baby. Okay, guys, so those are all my makeup favorites for the year. Let me know what you were loving down below because I'm always in the market for something new. I hope you guys enjoyed all my picks, and don't forget to check out my skincare, hair care, fragrance video, and also my luxury favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.